Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is a wheel collector, and I am here unboxing Crown Zenith Regieleki V collection box and a mystery power cube that I found at Walmart. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're going to undo. Huh. Put myself on the box. Guess I should be more careful, huh? You have your first code card right there. And then we have Regieleki V as a promo, and then your other promo, Regieleki as a promo. Then you have your jumbo card, Switching Bolt and Lightning Wall. Then we have our 4 packs of Crown Zenith. So we have your code card. We have Poniard, Cricotot, Shanks, Valerian Mr. Mine. We have Sunkern, and we have a Yanma. I love Yanma. He's one of my favorites. And then we got nothing. And Amoris is a legendary of love, but that's just a common. Here's your code card. We have Bidoof. We have Salandit. We have Porline. We have Grubbin. Then we have Krelp. Then we have Whalmer. It looks like we have a Rainbow, no, V-Star. We have a V-Star Leafeon. Let's see here. We have Whalmer and then the V-Star Leafeon. Let's go here. Go TCG for our price guide. And we will go to Crown Zenith. And so the Leafeon is worth $2. Leafeon V-Star is $2. Okay, then we have your code card. We have Riolu, Starly, Scyther. We have Emolga. Then we have Yungoos. And then it looks like we have a trainer gallery. Luciana. Can we get a double hit? And we do. We get another V-Star, and it's Zacian V-Star. Look at that. Back-to-back V-Stars out of this pull. Look, you can even see the dots coming off his sword for the special effects. The shimmering of him building up for his attack. Nice. Zacian V-Star is another $2. This is our last one. And we have your code card. We have Seal, Urkatot, Aeron, Riolu, Starly. Then we have a Radiant Charizard. Where does this Radiant Charizard come on? Nice. I didn't even think. I didn't even know this was in here. Let's look. This Radiant Charizard in the trainer gallery. Not anywhere up there. Is this a reprint? Am I just missing it? Volkia, Dialga, Arceus, okay. Yeah, looks like I'm just missing it. Huh? Oh. Let's go by cars. I don't see. So then what's this? Then we get a no pull. How much is this Radiant Charizard worth? I don't even see that in here as an option to pull. Unless I'm looking at the wrong one. It doesn't look like it. Huh. Oh, there's a Radiant Charizard because from the regular set. I wonder why that's from in the. Okay, it's a $7 card. I wonder why that's in the. Was where the trainer gallery was supposed to be and not. That's weird. That's why I couldn't find it because I was looking in the trainer gallery. So now we got our mystery cube. So in the mystery cube, you can pull some stuff like the Umbreon VMAX Ultron and Rayquaza VMAX. Includes 3 full cards and 42 common cards. Let's move these out of the way. Bring this on screen. So we have, looks like we have 24. So we got a reverse hollow, 2 reverse hollow, a Clefairy, and a Dusknoir. Then the rest are commons, scattered from battle styles all the way up to Evolving Skies. Then R. Oh, does that count as 3 hollows? Huh. Probably does. Okay, then we have your trainers, and that's it. And what do we have here? Huh. Did I just hear it ripped off? I didn't see 3 foil cards in here. 1 of 10 for... Yeah, I only saw these 2. Yeah, that's all that was in here. Huh. Got totally ripped off. Interesting. Anyways, well, if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. But to go over our pulls that we got a Radiant Charizard. And then we got Poochyena, a V-Star Zacian, and a V-Star Leafeon. Please like and subscribe.